How to find song name using Google Song Search on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, touch and hold. Next, go down and tap on widgets. From here, we then scroll down and tap on Google. After that, drag the song search widget and place it on the home screen. And that's it. Now, whenever you want to quickly search for a song, or if you hear a song somewhere and you want to find the name of the song, just tap on that and then let Google listen to the song or the tune. And if it detects something, it will give you the result. Now, you can also humming if the song has finished already, but you can't get it back. You can try to hum the tune and see if it can find something. So let's say if you I want to find this song called "Say You Will." So I try this one. Tap try again. Da 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 da. Na 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 da 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 da. And here you can see it has 44% match, and that is the song that I want to look at. So that's it. So that is how you can find the name of the song using Google Song Search. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.